There's no excuses. Start making furniture. That would be funny to put that in the front and then it's like not at all what the video is. Hi, I'm William Douglas. Today, oh my gosh. So a long time ago, I had a vision to bring together community, culture, and craft. I wanted people to see how beautiful it was the way that I see it. I had a really good job as a manager of a furniture making company, and I oversaw 15 plus furniture makers at a time. Made good money. But I thought it was about time for me to start chipping away at my vision, my dream. So I left that job. After we had our first 3 videos out, Tormek was in 2 out of those 3 videos. They reached out to me. They were the first company that saw what I was doing, liked it, believed in it. It was really uplifting for me, just getting started, kind of as an affirmation of like, I'm doing something good here. And months later, COVID hit. All the work that I had lined up, we lost it all. I lost my YouTube partner, and all the neighbors started staying home from work, and they didn't like the noise of a wood shop behind them. So after multiple attempts, they finally got me shut down, and I had to make a decision. I could either give up, which would have been easy. I could continue living where I was. We were in a beautiful house that I completely remodeled myself, or I could sell our house that we've lived in for 5 years, and I can keep at it. And that's what we decided to do. And we started building out a new shop for us, cabinets, electricity, everything that we needed. It took us a good 6 months to get back on my feet and feel like we were gonna be okay. I remember having that conversation with my staff, telling them, you know, I think we got out of the hole, I think we're gonna be all right. And the next day, my landlord said, they need us to leave. At this point, more than ever, I felt like giving up. I just sold my house. We had equity, and I knew that there was another option. I could try again, I could move into another place, and that's what I decided to do. I created this coffee shop, and I put floor-to-ceiling glass, and I built all of the furniture inside of here, and I wanted people to come in here and have an experience. Spent 8 or 9 months building the space out, getting it just right. It's been amazing watching people come in and experience our shop. A beautiful workbench with beautiful tools, creating the beautiful furniture that they're sitting on. And to me, like, it's all worth it. I'm really proud of what we did here. This was the result of being forced into making decisions, giving up or not giving up. And in that situation, we always choose to bet on ourselves, and I always chose to bet on myself. And we've created something that's truly unique and beautiful and an experience for our community. And I really believe in what we've done here. And I'm glad things happened the way they did. Because in a way, COVID really helped me get out of my own way. And maybe this never would have came true. This would have never came to life if that hadn't happened. So with all of this, it's my hope and my dream that one day my kids will be wearing my apron and working on the workbench that I made, and they'll get to enjoy my furniture in their house. Because I really believe that a craftsman lives on through their work, and the stuff that we're building and investing our time in is gonna live on. That's why we always say here, a craftsman never dies. Ow now, brown cow. The skeleton ran out of shampoo in the shower. The Human Torch was denied a bank loan. That's my favorite one.